In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 6, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then tap on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Then create it. Hit Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you're ready, select Confirm. Now it's time to tap on one of those options to decide what you wish to do with lock screen notifications. And last but not least, hit Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!